I'm gonna zoom in on the white one. I don't know what's going on. A minute ago they were going crazy. Check that out. They're all coming down to the white duck. Okay, they are everywhere. I know this is not normal, you guys. Check that out. As far as I can see, okay, there are a lot of ducks here. Wow, and they're circling in the sky too. I wish I had a better camera and yeah. Oh gosh. Oh my God, you guys. Something is not right. They're all in the sky. They're fighting. Wow. The white one's moving now. Okay, look at that. Now they're landing. They're landing. Look at that. There's more. Wow. Look at that. There's more landing. Look at how many ducks there are here, you guys. I have never seen this before in my life. Look at the sky. They're in the sky, and look at that. They're landing. There are more right there. Look at this. Okay. Unreal. Wow. As far as I can see, and they just, yeah. Look at that. So what's with the white one? Anybody know what's going on? I have never seen this. Is that like a princess duck or?